So I'll probably have to get you.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are here again with this beautiful 2017 Firecracker Red Jeep Wrangler JKU, and it is absolutely beautiful. And in the last video, we did add a little bit of custom accents. We added the new fender liners and the new fender flares. Just ripped the old ones off, put the new ones on. Turned out beautiful. It is amazing. So we can't stop there. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna change out the front bumper and we're gonna change out the rear bumper. So we did order us up some new bumpers. I think these came from Amazon. I'm pretty sure they came from Amazon. But anyway, we'll link it down below. So wherever we got them, we ordered a bunch of stuff. You know, could have come from eBay. Might even come from Walmart. I don't know. I can't remember. We ordered so much stuff. It's just crazy for this Jeep. We've got all kinds of mods lined up for it. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump on getting this rear bumper off. We'll start with that. We'll open up our new bumper and get that going. And then we'll get this thing put on. So let's hop to it right now. Alrighty guys, we made quick work of that. That bumper looks phenomenal on the back of this Jeep. I mean, it looks beautiful. It's got the LEDs right there. I still got to wire them up. That'll come along later. We might have some other stuff we need to wire up, so we'll wire it all up at once. So that back looks good. The rear bumper's all set. Let's jump on the front, get that sucker swapped out. Alrighty guys, man, check that rear bumper out, man. It is beautiful. Beautiful, got the LEDs, got the trailer hitch. Man, it fits up perfect there. Really good. We get the D-rings here. We're probably gonna paint them. Don't know what color yet. But then we did get this front bumper stuck on here. And it also looks amazing. It's got the LED fog lights in here. It's got a winch plate. It's got a place here for some lights. We probably have to see if we can occupy those slots with something. But man, this thing looks really good. I'm just super excited the way that it's coming together, the aggressive look. It kind of looks a little bit funny with the little bitty skinny tires. But, you know, we're going to fix that. We're going to fix that real soon. Real soon. But this Jeep, it's just a lot of fun to work on. Stuff like this is easy to do. We got these bumpers, I think, off of Amazon, maybe. I don't know, maybe Walmart. There's so many different places I can't keep up, but we'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. They didn't sponsor us or nothing. We just bought some cool bumpers for, you know, for a fair price. That's what we did. So if you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.